Now this is an important lesson and it's going to be a good video for your learning point of view, and a lot of people don't understand this. And the next roundabout, I would like you to turn left, first exit please. Okay, now that mini roundabout which we just turned, tell me how you could have done better.
Come up a bit further first and then stopped.
So you have got a giveaway line there where you stop at a giveaway line, isn't it? If you would have gone and stopped after the giveaway line, there will be a fail as well, isn't it? Because giveaway line is there for a reason. So you're supposed to stop at a giveaway line, which you did. So let me ask you a different way. So you stop at a giveaway line. After that, what you could have done better?
I don't know.
So that particular roundabout from your right, is that an open or the closed view roundabout? What do you think?
It's a bit of a closed.
Why is it closed?
You can't really see.
Why you cannot see it?
Because of bushes and stuff.
Because of the bushes. Well done. Now this is an important lesson and it's going to be a good video for your learning point of view, and a lot of people don't understand this. You don't need to go past and stop after the giveaway because there's bushes there. You must stop at the giveaway line. That's the first thing you should do. The second thing after that, the examiner would expect you to do, before you move your car forward, lean your body forward towards the steering. Now, did you do that?
No.
You were just sitting like this. Trust me, if you move like this, it make a massive difference sometime. So if you were to move your body forward, and if you still cannot see it, doesn't mean you just go back. You keep your body there and then creep your car forward, stop again, do your LADA. So we use the word LADA: look, assess, decide, and then act. Now you did acted, but what happened that time?
Car was good.
And what did you have to do then?
Brake again.
Because you did not look properly, you did not assess, you did not decide, you just acted. So next time, the best way in a closed view is stop at the giveaway line, lean your body forward, creep your car forward, do your LADA, and when it's safe, then you can go. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Any question, any confusion before we move on? Good. Let's drive off whenever you're ready.